Hi, this is a aircraft weight and balance calculator. Uh, you can see here we can set the weight. We can customize all these details. Like we can put the weight of the pilot, passengers, baggage, and fuel. And also we can configure the CG and weight. This graph will dynamically update according to the changes. Let me reduce some fuel from here, like 400. You can see the graph is moving. Let me make it 300. That's you can see the dots are well within the envelope. And if I put more fuel here, like 700, it will go outside the envelope. And you can see here it become no. So, yep, let me put 400 again.